He's right outside of it.
Okay. Come on. Jack, come on.
Some of the broccoli back here is doing pretty good. We'll have some this week, I think.
Yeah, Jack decided he wants to go someplace else.
Were you throwing too much dirt around?
You know, I think he's afraid of getting watered.
Oh. Nah. Well, I did water my foot, so I suppose he could be afraid of being watered. We're getting there, we're getting there. We're getting there, we're getting there. There's one here, there's another one here. See, there's one there. And there's another one here. And there's other baby ones in here too. Do you want me to get a cabbage?
What would you think about coleslaw tonight?
We can do that. Some gorgeous blue sky in between that less than... It feels like snow. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does. Well, not tonight.
No, tomorrow night is it?
No, Tuesday.
Ah, okay, Tuesday.
Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Right. So, yeah, they keep switching up. They don't know. They're guessing. Just as much as we are. The only thing is we have to live with the consequences and they don't. In the greenhouse, after dark, obviously we have lights on, I decided that it was time to harvest the Muir lettuce. It's starting to get a little frazzled by the weather. So rather than let it be damaged, I'm going to cut it, which I just did. So there's one. There's just a couple little leaves here that I'm going to toss. This is another one. It's a baby. I don't want to cut that. But I've noticed in the last couple of days, a couple of these larger, very fragile sort of lettuces are not liking it as much. So I'm going to cut the ones that are showing the most damage first. And see, this one was Muir. And the other one I'm going to take is this guy, which I think is a Nancy. Is that a Nancy? Yeah, it's a Nancy. And again, it's got some damage on it. It just, it's not liking the cold as much as some of the other things. These are all the Salanovas, and you can see they're just kind of humming along. They could care less. Sometimes when we've had a really severe night, it will, they'll look a little wilty in the morning. Just don't touch them, leave them alone, and they will come back as soon as they melt. So let me get this guy here. And there we are. I got the Nancy. I have another Nancy here. This is a green forest, which is obviously a, romaine. It starts, I was sitting there thinking, it starts with an R. And then these are Salanovas. All these here are Salanovas. Obviously spinach. This is another, I think this is another Muir here. And then, let's see. No, these are Adrianas. This one and this one are Adrianas. So, so far they're doing well. I will be watching them. If they start to show any damage, I will be harvesting them. Because you can see I'd started to harvest the bottom leaves. And a bunch of these, well, like here, this one really shows it here. We really like the occasional darker stuff in terms of leaves in our salads. So like this red oak leaf Salanova, I'm just harvesting them from the bottom. And you wind up with a leaf tree, kind of like you can on kale sometimes. So yeah, that's it. Very exciting. I plan to leave these for a while longer, but like I say, those two varieties are not as happy. So we're simply going to harvest them out and not waste them.